Here's how you get your Ring doorbell to work with your mechanical door chime that's already in your home, instead of buying an extra chime. So you know when someone's at the door, instead of using the app all the time, you can actually have it ring your inside door chime. So you go to devices in the app, and then this is my front door, and you'll see down here there's device settings. You think you go here, but you go to device settings, and then in-home chime settings, and then advanced, and your chime type is here, and you'll have several options. You'll have none, mechanical, digital, 1 and 2. So you go to mechanical, and then you continue, and then it says your doorbell can ring your in-home doorbell chime. So you want it to ring or you don't want it to ring, so you can press ring. So give your Ring doorbell a few minutes to update and press its button to test if your in-home chime rings correctly. So you'll just do down here. I just tested it. It rang correctly. And then doorbell system test complete. Got it. And you're done. So it'll ring.